Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto with your crypto. COM card. First, ensure your crypto. COM Visa card is activated within the app. You'll need to complete identity verification to unlock all card functionalities and spending tiers. Familiarize yourself with the card's daily and monthly spending limits, which can vary. Also, review the attractive cashback rewards program, often offering up to 8% back on eligible purchases, depending on your card tier. To use your crypto COM card, you must first top it up. You can easily add funds using fiat currency from your crypto COM app wallet. Link your bank account for direct transfers or use a debit card for instant top-ups. Alternatively, if you hold cryptocurrency, you can convert it to a supported fiat currency, like USD or EUR, and then load that onto your card. This process is quick and straightforward, ensuring your card is ready for use. Once funded, your crypto COM Visa card functions just like any other Visa debit card. You can use it for online shopping, in-store purchases, or even ATM withdrawals wherever Visa is accepted. When you make a purchase, the corresponding amount is debited directly from your card's fiat balance. Remember, you'll earn valuable cashback rewards on eligible transactions, making it a smart way to spend and save simultaneously. Using your crypto COM card offers several advantages, including competitive exchange rates when converting crypto to fiat and typically no annual fees. You can conveniently monitor all your transactions, spending habits, and accumulated cashback rewards directly within the crypto COM app. This provides a clear overview of your financial activity. For those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a highly recommended book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.